Welcome viewers. In this YouTube video, we shall guide you step by step on how to create a stunning drawing of a tropical island with palm trees using simple techniques and easy to follow instructions. Grab your pencils and paper and let's get started on this relaxing artistic journey. Begin by sketching the outline of your island using light pencil strokes. Add gentle curves to represent the shoreline, giving your island a natural look. Draw a few palm trees scattered across the island, varying their heights and angles. Sketch the trunks of the palm trees with long, slender lines and add some curvature to mimic their organic shape. Create the fronds of the palm trees by drawing long, narrow leaves radiating from the top of each trunk. Add details to the leaves by drawing gentle curves. Use your razor to soften any harsh lines and blend the elements of your drawing together seamlessly. Next, add small bushes or shrubs to the island to enhance its lush, tropical vibe. Shade the underside of the palm tree fronds to give them a three-dimensional appearance. Continue adding shading and details until you are satisfied with the overall look of your drawing. Take your time and enjoy the process of bringing your tropical island scene to life on paper. Remember to periodically step back and access your drawing from a distance to ensure that everything looks balanced and cohesive. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Mistakes are just opportunities to learn and improve. Feel free to customize your island drawing by adding additional elements like coconuts, seagulls, or a distant sailboat on the horizon. Keep your pencil strokes light and delicate, especially when sketching the finer details of your drawing. Thanks for watching this video.